I like helping the students get to the places they want to go, and again, that thing of making the students realise how many jobs exist and how many different universities exist. Hello, I'm Ronnie James. I'm the UCAS Coordinator here at Kings Brighton. So UCAS is the primary way that students in the UK apply to universities. Nearly all the universities in the UK will use UCAS to some degree. It really streamlines the university application process, and while there are some that you can apply to directly, UCAS is just the main hub where you put everything on there, and it can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. We have weekly sessions with personal tutors that, along with doing PSHE stuff, will go through how to do the UCAS application, will help you write your personal statements. We additionally have sessions at the start of every year where myself and Cecily Newbold, the other UCAS coordinator, go through and show everyone how to log in to register onto UCAS and work their way through it. Well, for a start, we try and make sure what their dream university is and if it's something that's actually going to happen and is an achievable dream. Making sure they're thinking what the right course is for them. Lots of students arrive and they don't really have a very clear idea of what they want to do. They want to go to London somewhere. Why, they're not quite sure. They just know it's a place where there's lots of good universities. That's true, but there's lots of good universities all over the place. So trying to expose them to things that they may not have seen and showing them all the variety of different things that are there. One student year before last, who was desperate they were going to be a vet, did not get on with the chosen subjects really all that much, but was really talented and just a really good student. They ended up getting onto our art program and smashed it completely. They were the very first student that was placed here at Kings Brighton with an unconditional offer for their art program, and just did amazingly well. Again, it's that thing of just making sure that the students are on the right courses can make such a difference. I play tabletop board games, war games, with just friends of mine. I started just before COVID actually kicked off. Was introduced by my brother-in-law, which was great fun. I put some models together and then didn't get a chance to play at all for months because it was COVID. But I've since then played pretty well. I try and get as many games in as I can. I just enjoy, it's basically just a social thing. You get to sit and chat with friends, play board games, put models together, customized models, some of them. There's lore and things you can get into if you're really into that, but just painting them up, playing with them, and just sitting, chatting, having fun with it.